Sa dami ng hair extension na mail sa akin, nalilito na ako, guys. Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, once again, Maxfull Hair sent me hair extension. So, the first time I tried their tape extension, which was a good review. I like it. But the struggle is it's hard to put it to your hair kasi kailangan pantay, align, ganyan. So this time Maxfull Hair send me hair extension. So this is the package. So this is the box. Ayan, Maxfull. Ayan. Kita ba? Masyadong maliwanag yung aking light. So, of course, let's include the hair extension. And then, there's a clip. It always comes with a clip now. It's different kinds. That's nice. Ayan. Ganyan. Neneng-nene. Charot. Nene daw. So, there's nothing much special. So, yun na yung laman ng box. So, it has like a ziplock plastic. It comes with the 2 extra parang ito. Ano ba to? Halo ba to? Hindi ko alam kung ano tong. Parang string siya eh. Parang string ng bra. Ayan. So, string siya na may hook. So, dalawa. So, naka-net pa siya. Buksan natin. Parang ako nagko-collect ng mga extension, ano. So, they keep sending me a lot of extension. So, I believe this is like, I think 22 inches as well. Yan, mahaba. This is 100% REMY human hair. Ayan. So, konti lang siya. Siguro mga 50 grams lang to. Kasi, konti lang siya eh. So, medyo unatin natin. So, this one is heat safe. So, we can iron it. So, as you can see, you can iron this very easy. It's kind of like your own hair. Ayan. So, meron siyang wave. So, we're just gonna remove a little wave that's on the hair. Alright. Then, let's brush it. So, madali lang to kasi isang kabitan lang. So, the best thing we can do is to put it on the upper part of our hair. So, let's try it. Okay, they send me the Halo hair extension. So, using this string, gagamitin natin siya. Ilalagay natin sa end. Sa dami ng hair extension na mail sa akin, nalilito na ako, guys. Okay, so yung string niya is the same length. So, extra lang yung isa. So, ilalagay natin siya dito sa end. So, ganyan. Ganyan ko siya nilagay. So, ganyan siya. So, because this is halo, so pag ganun, pa-halo natin siya ilalagay. Pag ganyan. Pa-halo hanggang sa ma-halo kayo. Okay? So, umpisahan na natin. Because this is halo, dito natin siya ilalagay. Madali lang to, guys. So, igaganyan natin. Parang isusombrero nyo siya. So, mas maganda if you can style this. Pwede nyo siyang i-curl. So, make sure lang na pagsusuklayin nyo dito, hindi nyo madadali yung string niya. Kasi yung string, naka-hide. So, this is easy kasi isang application lang. So, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay. guys, another hair extension review. But this time, this is the Halo hair extension from Maxfull. Ayan. So you can check their website. They're available at Amazon. I will put their description down below on my description box. And of course, this Halo hair extension that they send me, I will put the description as well on my description box. So if you want to try this kind, you can check it out at Amazon. Ayan. So here you go, guys. Another hair extension review. And once again, thank you, Maxfull, for sending me your product and trusting me to review again this Halo hair extension. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and consider to hit the notification bell para na maging updated kayo every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!